Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking a little bit something that's called the language of functions. Something we like to call function notation. So, give me a second to turn on my equation feature. So you know that the graph. So you remember from my last video, you remember that the linear function can be written in the form y equals mx plus b. All right. So, y equals mx plus b. Now, there is another thing that you can do to substitute for y to represent the fact that it is a function. You can use something like f of x equals mx plus b. If you're using more than one function, you can also use g of x equals mx plus b. You can use h of x equals mx plus b. All sorts of things you can do. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about what exactly function notation really means and how it's used. So let's say that we have this equation right here. F of x equals 3x plus 2. Alright, so let's say I wanted you to evaluate this. Given that x equals -2. So we simply have to substitute x for -2 for x. And then evaluate f of -2. Then we simply need to simplify. That was a funny one. Simplify the right side of the equation. So 3 times -2 is -6, plus 2 equals -4. So what we really mean here is that at the x value of x equals -2, y equals -4. Alright, so now why don't you try to figure this one out. So now I want you to try and evaluate this. But let's say that we have x set equal to -4. How about that? So evaluate f of -4 using this equation right here. Pause the video and evaluate, and then come back. Alright, so hopefully you did this. Pretty easy, right? 6 times -4. And then we have f of -4 equals 6 times -4 equals -24, minus 4 equals -28. Alright. Now, alright, so that was pretty easy. Now, alright, so now that we have the answer, why don't you try and interpret this? So pause the video and try to come up with an idea of what this thing really means here. Okay, so we have f of -4 equals -28. Sorry. So x value is -4. So at the x value of x equals -4, y equals -28. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward, guys. Don't need to worry about this too much. I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. I just wanted to show you how function notation really works. Alright, so not much left we can do, guys, so thank you so much for watching. We are going to get right to graphing equations next time. next time. So we're first going to start off with graphing linear equations in the standard form, and then we're going to graph equations in slope-intercept form, which would be this form right here, or this form, whichever you'd like to do. I'd like to use y equals mx plus b. However, f of x is the more formal way of representing functions. But anyways, thanks again for watching, guys. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you really like the channel and channel so far, please share with your friends. I like to help out as many people as I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good job. Have a great rest of your day. And signing out.